This is my Mickey desk that I've had in my room for quite some time. So I just moved it to the other side of the room, and I'm going to try to start putting everything where they belong. And I also have this cork board up here that I just hung on the wall, which is going to be holding my frequently used items, but I'm going to try to use the most frequently used items alongside here, but then keep the things that I know I'm gonna need but I don't really use it every day up here. So we're gonna see how that goes in a second. And oh, and that mirror is from IKEA too. That I forgot what it's called, but I'll link that one below too. I'll link everything that I use in the description box. This cork board, by the way, it could be personalized. You can take these off and you can put them wherever you want. And there's also other things that you can add to the cork board, like clips and hangers and stuff like that. You can use the cork board for pretty much anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and add everything to the desk, and I'll show you how it's done, how it looks when I'm finished. Okay, so this is the finished product. I'm not really done, but so far I basically have my perfumes up top, some like random stuff that I use but I don't use in the middle, and then my brushes are there, and I use this little wooden tray thing. I have my foundations, my powders there. These are some hair ties. I just put it in a paper clip bottle that I got from Home Goods. It was from Home Goods as well. This mirror, you already know, was from IKEA. And the plant, I just stuck it inside of the flat iron, or I don't know if this is a flat iron holder or I think it's for cords. Kind of stuck this plant in there. That plant is from IKEA. And that is the finished product, guys. I really like it so far, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some more things down at the bottom, like a candle maybe. And I'm also gonna change this mirror too, because I don't think it goes with the theme that I'm trying to go for. But once I do update it, I'll do another vanity makeover video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.